Today we're exploring that question everyone has wondered at some point. How do robots learn new skills without crashing into things? Because, let's be honest, teaching a robot using trial and error sounds great. Until that error is bumping into a wall, a person, or a machine that costs more than your house. So let's slow down, take a breath, and explore how researchers are making robots smarter and safer at the same time. Imagine you're learning to ride a bike. At first, you wobble, you swerve, you get close to hitting things. And you only get better by trying. Robots learn in a very similar way through something called reinforcement learning, or RL. They try things, they get rewards for good behavior, and they get better over time. But here's the catch. In the real world, a robot can't afford to learn by crashing into a forklift. We need a safety net. And that's where two powerful tools come in. Model Predictive Control, which helps robots plan ahead, and control barrier functions, which act like a protective bubble saying, "Hey, don't go there." The research we're looking at today blends all three approaches, RL, MPC, and CBFs, into one smart, safety-aware learning system. Think of it as giving a robot a brain that learns, a planner that predicts, and a guardian that keeps it out of danger. But the clever part is this: the safety rules themselves can now be learned. Instead of a human engineer guessing how cautious a robot should be, the robot adjusts that behavior automatically while staying safe. The researchers tried three ways of doing this. A classic safety method that becomes adjustable, a neural network that learns safety patterns from experience, and a recurrent neural network, basically a safety system with memory, that handles moving obstacles even better. All three made the robot safer. But the ones using neural networks learned richer, smoother, more natural behaviors, especially in environments where obstacles were moving around. It's like watching a robot go from, "Oh no, obstacle," to, "I've got this. Let me just slide around it." So what does this mean for the real world? Think of self-driving cars that learn better lane merging, drones that adapt to crowded airspaces, or factory robots that safely dodge workers while staying productive. We're talking about machines that don't just follow rules, they learn how to stay safe. And honestly, that's a future I wouldn't mind living in. Thanks for tuning into the R&D Lab. If robots can learn to stay safe while getting smarter, maybe the real question is, what should we let them learn next? Visit engisphere.com to explore the engineering concepts. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next episode.